I am Alexander Schaap, CFO with BarVision. I have been, like you, in the financial trenches for more than 20 years. As you are aware, cash flow is generated by maximizing the performance of your inventory. If you can generate revenue from the use of your liquor inventory, that inventory will generate cash for your location. If your personnel use up your inventory by overpouring or throwing it down the drain, your cash flow will not be maximized. We all know that cash is king. What you cannot measure, you cannot control. Let's start with one bottle. Just one bottle of your inventory that you serve, and let's assume it costs $25. In every 1 liter bottle you serve, there should be 27 servings of 1 1/4 ounces. Anything that will produce less than 27 1 1/4 ounce servings is not maximizing your inventory, thus not maximizing cash flow. Do you know where your inventory and cash is going? Again, if you cannot measure the pours, you cannot control the cash flow. If the pain point is overpours, then you know that an overpour of even 1/10 of an ounce per shot adds up to almost 3 lost portions per liter. That's 3 portions of lost inventory that you did not sell. At $25 a liter, that's $3. And that's just minor overpours. There is more pain in store. If your facility has the occasional overpour of, say, 1/2 ounce or more, that will cost you another 1 or 2 portions per bottle in just a couple of careless pours. There's another $2 gone. I am not talking about authorized overpours, where you serve your regular customers a stiff drink. I would not suggest that you do not take care of those customers that regularly take care of you. I am talking about unauthorized and careless overpours because the bartenders have no feedback on how much they actually served. Remember, you cannot control what you cannot measure. Okay, so now you have $5 missing from the bottle and potentially another problem. There could be potential liability from overpours, and I am talking about drunk patrons. The patrons did not intentionally drink the lost inventory. It's what you served them, and you did not get to recover the sales from these overpours. If out of that bottle with 27 1 1/4 ounce pours, did you get 25 1 1/4 ounce pours? You lost some cash here. Remember, you cannot control what you cannot measure. Did you miss a couple of ring-ups? The answer is possibly, but normally you will not know where your facility's cash went. The egregious 2-ounce pour instantly turns 4 ring-ups into 3. Or think of a 4-top that orders 3 drinks each and is perfectly happy with the intended portion of 1 1/4 ounces. If a couple of them get served 1 1/2 ounces or more in all 3 drinks, you now have a situation where the table orders 12 drinks instead of 13 or 14 drinks. You are missing 2 to 3 ring-ups in these scenarios. Let's call that $12. You cannot control what you cannot measure. So what are we up to? $12 in lost revenue plus the $5 in inventory cost. We are talking about innocent operational behaviors that can be corrected unconfrontationally with BarVision data. If you are the normal CFO type, you also wish to protect against the intentional waste of inventory. BarVision can assist with this situation by measuring the number of and amount of pours which you can measure against receipts. Now you are able to control the inventory because you are measuring the process. We are at $17 of lost cash per bottle at this point now. Let's stop there and not include possible free drinks that went across the bar. Now, how many bottles do you serve up each week? 25, 40, 75? That's going to be specific to your business, but at only 25 bottles a week, you are missing $425 a week in cash flow. That's over $1,800 a month. Are you ready to regain control of your cash flow? Please click the link below for further information.